If you want to create a seamless texture, that is a texture that you can repeat infinitely, then you can go around onto file right here and first of all open up an image that you want to go around and make a texture out of. Let's say for example I'm going to go around and open up this lotus flower itself. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around under filters right here, and then I'm going to go around over here under map right here, just like this. And over here you can see that tile seamless is an option. So if I were to go ahead and do that, now what happens is that it takes this particular flower, as you can see right here, and then that is, it takes the content and then you can see that it repeats it out on the corners, so that if I were to go around and repeat it, then I have a seamless texture. So this is what I have, as you can see, and if I were to go around, work around the opacity, that is what you have, and you can also work around with the blending mode, but it is suggested to keep it at 100% right here, just like this, and press OK. So this is what you have, as you can see. So if I were to go around and move this, you can see that this is the seamless texture that I have right here. So now around over here, I can duplicate out the layer, for example, and if I were to go around and move this right here, you can see that the two layers right here can be attached right here, and you can see that the texture is smooth right here. And similarly, if I were to go around, let me just select this layer out right here and this layer, and you can see that it is connected from over here as well. So if I were to go around, you can see that it is the same right here, and same goes from the top as well. So you can see that I can go around right here and connect it out from the bottom right here, just like this as well. So that is how you can go around and create tile seamless or seamless texture inside of GIMP. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.